Today I'm going to make a quick video of how to remove the headlight on this 2010 Mercedes GL450. Alright, so as you can see, the passenger side's out. So let's go ahead and access this. Put our light down here to give us some view. And here we have our access panel. Let's go ahead and twist this and pull this cap to the side. Then we should have access to our light. Go ahead and use my other hand, and we're just gonna go ahead and twist this and pull this out. Here is our light bulb. Now to get this out, might need both hands. Let me see how it looks. I think it's latched on somewhere. I think right here. Anyways, let me go ahead and take this off real quick, and I'll let you know how I did it. Alright, and there it is. It looks like we just pull on it and it comes off, and there it is. It's an H7 or an E1. I don't know. These are always confusing. I think it's an E1. Well, best thing to do is take the light bulb with you. That way when you have all the light bulbs on the rack, you could say, this one looks like you. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.